Yo, what is poppin' everyone? So today I am testing out the DJI 4K drone, the new DJI Mini 4K that just came out. I think maybe it's been a few weeks or a month. I just got done testing it out for around the fourth time of me testing it, and I gotta say, this thing is pretty cool. It can do a lot for the value. I mean, this thing is only $299. Comes with the controller that does come with your phone. I would prefer the controller that has the screen, but it costs a little bit extra, which I honestly, now that I think of it, I would have got, because I'm probably going to end up getting it anyway. Also, the battery pack is something that's important. This thing's battery does not last long. If you get this, make sure you have at least 2 to 3 batteries, because it only lasts, it says 30 minutes, but sometimes I would say in the air it only lasts 15 to 20 minutes when it's flying. I'm going to be showing you guys some of the footage I got from the camera. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm a beginner when it comes to drones. This is my first drone ever, so I do not know how to tinker with all the settings and everything. This is all default settings. I only know how to check if the area I'm in is okay to fly in through the app. And yeah, I'll show you guys some of the footage I got with it. This is, again, my fourth time flying this drone, and I'll show you guys some of the footage I got from the first, second, and third time I flew the drone. I flew just around this area twice, and I flew around on some different trails and different parks around my area of Las Vegas, so I'll show you guys that right now. I would like to mention this is my first ever time owning a drone, and I got the version of the package that only comes with the drone and the controller. Even though it's my first time ever owning a drone, I would say that this DJI Mini 4K is pretty easy to use for beginners, and if you've ever played any video games or used a controller of any kind, you would probably get used to this pretty quick. Thing I would mention is that you need to watch out for spots that don't have signal, as well as looking out for obstacles, because this camera does have sensors, but only on the bottom and the top, I'm pretty sure. I'll also pop up the specs of the camera so you guys get some more info. This entire video is actually recorded using the straight out of the box default settings, so I just wanted to show you guys what it's like out of the box. What does it look like? How easy is it to use? I would say, yeah, straight out of the box, it's pretty easy to use. They actually give you a tutorial, and you go through the tutorial and get to learn the different controls, and it's pretty simple. I would say that almost anyone can use this. For my first drone, I'm very satisfied for the price, and I will be continue using this in a lot of my future videos coming up, so I'm really excited for that. See you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.